y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tevila Tori and this is the Tori Stand. Today's video is gonna be about hair care. I know when I started the year, if you have not seen that video, you can hit the link there and get over to that video where we spoke about healthy habits that I plan to adopt this year, and part of that was self-care. One of the things that I wanted to spend more time doing this year is looking after myself mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. And in an effort to do so, today I'm gonna be taking care of my crown. This journey has been both terrifying and exciting, but something about letting your natural hair out and not hiding always behind the falsies, the wigs, the extensions and stuff, it brings something out of you that, at least it brought something out of me that I did not expect or I did not know was there. But embracing your natural hair, your natural curls and coils is a very, very exciting journey and experience. So if this is the testimonial you need to hear to do that big chop or to go natural, this is it, girl. Today I got my bag of goodies from By Shay, which is a store friend of mine opened recently. And you guys know I'm all about small businesses, small black owned businesses. You guys know once the products are good, I'm going to definitely collab with them and share their stuff on my page. And a lot of you have been asking, what do you use in your hair, etc, etc. So I cut my hair, I did my big chop in 2019, I think, early in 2019. If I'm not mistaken, it was April 2019, and I got my family friend to just clip off my straight ends. I was left with about an inch of growth on my head. Now that was the scariest thing I have ever done. I think the second most scary thing I've ever done. The first would have been moving away from Sequibble. As much as I wanted to study and be independent, that was really hard. And so I went over by my family friend, hey Carol, and she cut off my straight ends or whatever. And I was terrified because I never liked short hair or thin hair. Even when I'm doing crochet braids or extension, it has to be voluminous and very thick and the whole works. So me trying to cut my hair off and just walk around with just an inch of growth on my head was, oh my god, it was so hard. But it taught me a lot of things about myself, so I don't regret it. And now I have a head full of hair and it's growing so beautifully. So this year I'm going to pay some more attention to it because I have not been doing that. I bought like one type of product or one brand of product since I started this journey, and I've used that only. I did keep heat out of my hair since it has been cut, since it has been growing naturally. I did keep heat out of my hair. I use shea butter a lot. So for those of you who have been asking me what I use in my hair, that's it. It's on Jackie's products. I used the shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and the curl cream. And outside of that, it's just raw shea butter. Nothing else. I don't usually do steam treatments or whatever. I don't. So this year, I'm going to pay some more attention to my natural hair and try to steam regularly and the whole 9 yards. So I've gotten some new products from By Shay and in my little good bag here. So we're gonna have a semi-wash day. So we have this is a conditioner, hold on. The shampoo. This is my shampoo. It's the Creme of Nature Pure Honey brand. This is the conditioner, and I've also got in my little kitty bag a twisting cream. You guys can see this. A twisting cream, and what else that one has in here? And edge control. So like I said, I don't do much. I still have my shea butter, my raw shea butter. That treatment I don't think will ever come out of my routines because it's thick enough and heavy enough to keep my hair together. Usually these curl creams, I know the Aunt Jackie's curl cream, it did work, but the moisture would leave my hair within a few hours. But that shea butter, baby, ooh, that shea butter stays for days. So I'll definitely keep using that. But these, I'll post a link to the stores page below so you guys can support them. They are located in Linden. The physical store is located in Linden, but delivery is done to Georgetown, East Coast, etc. You just hit them up and they'll tell you where to meet and how you can get your products. But they have a wide range of natural hair products, skincare products, and so forth. So please do check out by Shea. Alright, so let's get into this wash day. I'm gonna go take my hair down and come back and show you what it looks like before it's washed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what my hair looks like taken down. So you can see there's a lot of dirt and such inside from the gel I had in it. So we are going to start washing this out. I'll get some water in it and we'll come back and see how it works, how the shampoo works. I'm going to show you me pouring water in my hair and applying the shampoo, but I'll show you what it looks like after I apply each product. The only thing we're going to go through here on camera is the curl cream. So let me go get this wet, get the shampoo in, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. Alright y'all, so this is the finished product. Well, the shampoo I should say. This is my hair after the shampoo. I don't know if you guys could see these curls. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and for those of you that are wondering, my hair is type 4C. So this is what it looks like after the wash with the Pure Honey shampoo. That is this baby right here. I think it's pretty good and it smells awesome. My hair still feels pretty soft, and as you can see, my hands can pass right through that. I mean, and I haven't used a detangler, so I guess this is just my hair. It really isn't that hard to comb, especially when it's damp. So we have completed the wash with the Pure Honey Creme of Nature shampoo, and so I'm gonna go condition and then I'll come back and show you guys how that went. Alright y'all, so my hair is so wet. I didn't towel dry it for as long as I did the first time when I did the shampoo. So this, it's a lot of moisture. This is what it looks like after conditioning. It's what our baby looks like. See what the inside looks like. Jelly, jelly, jelly. So it smells great. So we're gonna try it. See that it's a twisting cream. It's a moisture whip. I'm gonna apply this really quickly. I love how this feels. So far it feels pretty good. I can already see my little curls there. So we're gonna section this off and apply the twisting cream in a healthy amount to each section, and then I'll come back and show you the finished results. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my hair after the curl cream was added. You guys can still see some of the residue here. We're gonna leave this in until my hair is completely dried, and then I'll let it out and show you the finished look. So we're just gonna do a simple twist out. If you forgot, this routine was done with Creme of Nature's Pure Honey collection, the shampoo, conditioner, and the lovely smelling twisting cream. So this is it. I haven't done these. Y'all remember when you used to go to school with these plaits? At least mom used to give us either big twists or plaits, and you pull them back in two and your ribbons to go to primary school. Fun memories. Anyway, so I'm gonna twist these out. Sorry, let them dry first, twist it out, and then come back and show you what I look like in the end. Stay tuned for more. I'm back, guys. So this is our final result. I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. It's not too light and it's not too heavy, and there is no residue there, so I think I'm pretty happy with the results. So if you need to get yourself these products, please be sure to check out By She. Again, I'll link the information to their Facebook and Instagram pages in the description box below, so you guys can get the hookup. Remember, we have to support our local businesses. If we do not support each other, then we will not thrive. So thank you guys for joining me today on the Tory Standard. Remember, you're loved, you are blessed, you are great, you are enough, and you were created to do exploits. See you next time.